All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. I'm lose connection back there. Connection pas bon, on est mauvais signal ba yo, kon ba yo. Back to what I'm talking about. So this morning I'm wake up, I'm go checking the Facebook, you know. I say good morning to Facebook, I'm looking, I'm scrolling. When I get there, I see something get my eye. You know what I'm saying? Hello. Online, I get online, I put Christian T, something like that, then it's gonna pop it up. If you put just praise him, it's gonna be on there. So then, check it. So this what happened now, okay? So I'm scrolling, right? And then I see the Spanish people talking shit. Oh, Haiti this, Haiti that. I see Haitian people under it. Zo life, no life. Talking shit too. Okay, I'm not doing it. So I'm taking it's nothing serious. I'm keep going. Then one photo. That's where they catch me now. That's why I'm got to talking, because you can talking shit all day. I don't give a flying full shit. Haiti is no good. Haitian people eat cat. Haitian people smell like this. Haitian people don't know how to dress. Haitian girls no good. You can say everything about us. I don't give a damn. But it's when you go. And then when you go and you say, you know, you stop saying, now you go action, you do action, you know what I'm saying? And then the action you do, you put a flag on the floor and then you step on it. Wait, hey, wait a minute. So, is in my eye. Make sure I'm looking at the white thing. Because you know, they're so good now, they can photo crop, photo edit, everything. So, I'm looking. So, I Google Dominican people, Haitian flag. When I see they stepping on it, I say, woy, why ya, woy, why ya, sacrivela. So you know what I do? I get ready. I get my telephone, I say, I'm going to come for the ass. So Dominican people, this is for you. This is for you, Dominican people. I don't give a damn. You don't let me go to your club. I don't give a damn. I cannot listen to your music because let me tell you something. Because the same way you work hard, we work hard too. Okay? We live next door to each other. You were supposed to help each other, not bring each other down. Say, bon coco wat nou yed, bon lazy. Every day nous eat tortillas. Not mange tortillas. Et puis, nous get jardin. Haiti, we got garden in Haiti. And you go there and still have banana to go make banana. Ti banana rouge nou yo. Ti banana ki ba même ge mi bagay sou yo. Ti skinny ti banana yo. N'a vinn voler mango nous, tout bagay dans jardin nous vinn voler yo. Et puis n'a porté Dominican Republic and say this is Dominican mango, Dominican banana, Dominican everything. Bullshit. Et menti. Voler nous al voler yo. Okay? I'm tired, Dominican people, with you and your stuff. I'm tired. Because we cannot be best friends. We're supposed to be neighbor. Simba get sugar, I knock on your door. I need some sugar. Okay? If I don't got no sauce for my D blanc and my sauce chicken, I'm gonna knock over there. Can I get some sauce? Can I get some black bean? Ou pas arrêter? Et puis carrément, ou pour flag nous, ou camper sous lui, avec gros manche tout. Like you forget, it's us in 1804 who go fight for your damn independence too. So, Miss Dominican people, Republic, the Dominican Republic, this is not war. Nous pas get beef avec nous. You do it to us, we do it to you. Okay? You do it to us, we do it to you. That's how we work. Kounya, coupe ça sec. Okay? Cut that sec, today. No more give you sugar. Cause, nous pas qu'on respecte the grand monde. We is the grand monde. You not the grand monde. Okay? Say, but lazy Spanish people, nous here. We go over there for school. We go over there for electricity. Why then work together? Nous are there tear each other apart. But don't worry, because coming soon, Haiti is gonna have their own school. Haiti is gonna have their own electricity. We're not gonna need you no more. And sak ap kape and zakataka telema na vin boubou danou. Okay? That's it. Memem, Mr. Haitian Gonwal, aka Baz, I don't give a flying full shit. Okay? Because mbaka take it anymore. Okay? I'm not gonna burn the flag. I'm not gonna step on your flag. I'm not gonna wipe my ass with your flag. I'm not gonna do nothing, but I'm gonna pray for you. Okay? And I wish all my Haitian people, when you see them, don't talk bad to them. Don't look at them no way. Don't say nothing. They can say whatever they want about us. Haitian people no good. Haitian people voler. Haitian people say they got an affair. They can say whatever. But Haitian people, please, stay calm. Because you know why? Respect is on us. Okay, we the big brother. We have to lead by example. They want to be stupid, we cut it off. You don't know what cable company do? When you don't pay your bill, you know what they do? They cut it off. Your phone bill, when you don't pay it, they cut it off. So that's what we gotta do. Cut their ass off. They got one way. One way. And that's it, man. Because die at us. Tout le monde a vu pour Haiti. This is our year. Jesus is talking to us Haitian people. This is our year. This is our year, Haitian people. Okay? Jamaica vin pour Bouddha nous. Okay? America vin pour Bouddha nous. Everybody na Bouddha nous. Everybody na Bouddha nous. You pas capable Haiti on break. On va Haiti on break. Kuna wa là. Même America vin na Bouddha nous. Wa là. Jesus say in the Bible. I don't know where in the Bible. Look for it. But Haitian people, we are the chosen one. Et puis that's it. We are the chosen people because out of all the African nations, Haiti was the first to revolt, to whip in their ass. How a little country with those slaves to do that? How we do that? You know why? Because we got Jesus on our side. So n'importe problem we go to, no matter what, we are the chosen people. We have to lead by example. Okay, Donald Trump have taken TPS moon. Ou même quand bien non rasé m'a caché. I got to hide because Donald Trump have to take my TPS. No, don't worry. They can persecute us every day, every night. We're not going nowhere. Okay? They can try to kill us off. We're not going nowhere. I swear for God. If Haiti, right there, you see where we are? If you want problem with us, vin marcher sous dos pieds nous, and we're gonna be ready for your ass. And that's it. Dominican problem, we problem, whatever your name is. If you want problem with us, you know where we are. Go over there, because they will pass cette ligne nous craser nous. And puis that's it. Okay? Donc, comme faut ma cabrit, m'gè 4 cabrit Haïti. Tendez-vous, les nous, nos Dominicains Republic, yo. Les vous nous maille cabrit, yo, m'vin pour nous couper tête. Ok? M'gè m'taille, m'gè 2 pieds mongo. Ok? Et puis m'gè un pied papaye, nan coin la caille, là, m'gè un pied papaye. Ok? M'gè un pied papaye. Et puis, m'gè la l'eau. Qui t'a mal Haïti? M'ba joindre yo. Qui t'a mal Haïti, m'ba joindre yo. Qui t'a mal Haïti, m'ba joindre yo. Quitte mal Haïti, m'ba joindre. Je répète ça encore. OK? OK, et puis, m'gè un Isuzu ti rouge, moi le ti rouge, on ti choc, m'paquet pas derrière. Et puis, m'gè un papa de choupe. OK, autant de moi. M'gè un ti zami qui relè Miguel. Machine yo paquet Dominican Republic. Après les zopoul pour la Haïti pour moi, pour la déplacer machine yo. But no problem. Haitian people, so no one get sentiment. You got something called a nose. Take your ass and leave their country. Cut them off and see how they do. They take their bad in bougie like MC Kiki music, bad in bougie. They take their bad in bougie. No, we're not bad in bougie. We got it right. They want problem? Okay, we're gonna give them the problem. Cut them off. No food. We're not gonna trade with them. Nothing. Tout le monde qui Dominican Republic, take your ass, moving back to your country. Go back to Haiti. And for our government, this should be a lesson to you. Because now, you are the reason the Dominican people can disrespect us like that. Because you're not doing what you need to do to keep your kids and your people in their country. They have to leave their country to go somewhere else where other malfredés can disrespect them. C'est nous-mêmes qui avons fait ça passer. Okay? Mr. Banan, President Banan, we got faith in you. Don't let us down. Don't let us down. Because you one of us. You see Sweet Mickey, he go. I don't know what Sweet Mickey do. And Sweet Mickey say, "Bo partner." I don't know what he do. But Mr. Banan, you one of us. You work in the field. You les soleil à connaître casser tête nous. Les boules soué, ouais, ma soué. Mr. Bonnet, ou compte soué plus casser ça, nous connaît tête calée. So, les tête calée, on connaît le soleil à pour sous tête calée ça, bois c'est boule, wap boule. C'est boule, wap boule, bouilli, wap bouilli. Tout l'on wap bouilli, Mr. Bonnet. So, since you are one of us, I hope you do something about this. And you don't stay quiet. Because our government is already corrupt, but you one of us. I see you smart. Do something. Dominican people, we don't got beef with you. But if you coming for us, we coming for your ass. Good noggy yo. Okay? Ding, ding, ding. That's how we're gonna be with you. You do something to us, we're gonna do something to you. But some Haitian people, don't be ignorant. Don't be stupid. Don't do what they do because you know why? Then they put us in the same position as them. No! Don't do that. You are Haitian. It's in your blood. You got it. Don't do it. Stay strong. Keep your head high because you are a chosen one. Remember that. Remember again, and I always tell you that at the end of my videos, I always say, Zo life or no life. Zo life or no life. Dominican life or no life. I don't give a damn. It's Zo life for everything. Okay, that's it. Get what you got in Dominican Republic, take your ass off, and let them be by themselves. They want to be by themselves, let them be. And let's see how they do by themselves. And be that said, we don't need that damn cola. We don't need that mango. We don't need that dairy. We don't need shit. We good. We got mango. We got corn. We got papaya. We get jus. We get tout bagay. Et puis we get prestige. We get... Marabali. Akabrit pidous. Beef pidous. Cochon pigou. We got the best of everything. From your pigou. Music no pigou. Cut them off and make more money. Haiti for life. Zo life for no life. Basse it. Et puis that's it. Dominican Republic. Men no boudou.